give the instruction of what they are supposed to do, and that's the way you are leading them. But that's when most of the cases we recommend that is the democratic or participatory. That means that you engage your employees, and the way you just tell them that how to do the things, or sometimes they can help you to make the decision. See here, this is a continuum between autocratic and democratic. Whenever your leadership style could be something in between, where you are 80% of your participative style and something of your autocratic. Here, the situational factors are very much important. Say for tomorrow, you have to do something, say submit some tender documents. So there, what you are doing, you cannot do the democratic style because it takes time. You cannot do it. So there definitely your style would be autocratic. But when you do have a 2 months time to submit document, then definitely you can engage your employees. I'm not going to talk about that because there are too many other styles and theories that you know to understand that. But definitely you do have a more experience. But if you are more interested on this subject, we could talk about a bit later. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the change that we are facing. Any kind of change that it is existing in organization, it's something like alterations of new idea or behavior. So where we are thinking of new idea or behavior it could be in technology, it could be in people, or it could be in a structure as well. Yep. This kind of change that we are thinking of. And what are the forces from outside that we could face? Say for example, I'm not going to, that's the things that we could discuss definitely, that what are the forces that you might think of, say that can push your university or your organization to make or bring some changes. Okay, so can you think of, maybe you can give me some factors that can force you to make any kind of change. Did you get me or no?
Let's see. We are facing right now accreditation process, so we really reviewed all our guidelines and all our, how to say, the laws, internal laws.
So that means that...
That means that this change really became very powerful right now, and all part of the universities, all administration part and everyone are involved in this process.